This Samsung A23 arrived for data recovery with no signs of life and no access to data. To retrieve the information, the device first had to be restored to a fully functional state. We carefully removed the CPU and NAND chips to transfer them to donor electronics. The chip slots were thoroughly cleaned to ensure reliable contact for the resoldered chips on the new PCB. This case demonstrates the process of chip-level data recovery, which usually involves devices that have undergone previous repairs, water exposure, or physical damage. Careful handling and precise techniques are essential to successfully recover data in these situations. The removed chips were carefully cleaned and reballed. The CPU and NAND chips were then transferred to the working electronics. Once the chip swap was complete, the phone successfully powered on. If you have a phone with important data that you cannot access, contact HelpDisc. Write to us at office@helpdisc.rx.